Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So if you are facing login problem on Windows 11, you are not able to log in your system, or your system is stuck while you are trying to log in. In this video, let's fix this issue. First, press Ctrl key, Alt key and Delete key. Press all the three keys together. After that, press and hold the Shift key in your keyboard. Then click on this power button and then click on Restart. So this will open your system in advanced mode. Press and hold the Shift key. So this is the advanced mode in your system. Now you can release the Shift key. Click on this troubleshoot button. Now here you will see this option, Startup Settings. Click on it. Click on Restart. Now you have to press F5 function key to open your system in safe mode. Now enter your PIN or your password to log in safe mode. Now you can see my system is logged in the safe mode. Now after that, right click on the Windows icon, then click on this run option. Now type cmd, press enter. So this will open the command prompt. Now you have to type a command sfc /scan now. So this will repair all the Windows corrupted files. Type this command carefully, then press enter. And this process will take around 3 to 5 minutes to complete. Verification process completed 100%. After that, cut this window. And then click on this Windows icon and restart your system. So this will open your system in normal mode and fix the login problem on Windows 11.